Alright, so this is the cleaning of the lens for the Brother Pocket Jet printer S8. I'm gonna take this off and then turn it on. Once it's ready, you feed it in. Make sure you're even on both sides. It'll try to grab it by itself. If not, you could just press it manually. If you see this side's thicker than this side because it's crooked, that's why you lift it. You gotta lift it all the way so it doesn't grab it. Close it back up. Looks pretty even. Once it's even, just you can see it did have some dirt in it. We'll do it again. See how I grabbed it?